1 Minute Latvian Lesson 1.
Sveiki, my name is Arta.
And my name is Mark. We'd like to welcome you to this course from Coffee Break Languages. During this course, we're going to be teaching you the absolute basics of Latvian. In each lesson, we'll spend roughly 1 minute learning the language, then you'll have time to go over what you've learned.
Latvian is a language spoken by around 2 million people in Latvia and anywhere around the world where you can find Latvians. It's an Indo-European language and is from the same family as Lithuanian.
1 Minute Latvian is an introductory course, and we won't be teaching you everything you need to know. But the most important thing is that if you listen to our 10 lessons, you'll really be able to communicate with Latvian-speaking people. If you can say even a few phrases of Latvian, you'll really impress native speakers and make lots of friends. It's very easy to learn Latvian, and we hope you enjoy these lessons.
The clock is ticking.
So let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. In this first lesson, we're going to learn to say hello and goodbye, two very important words in any situation. To say hello, you say,
Sveiki,
listen to this again.
sveiki,
Try saying it after Arta.
sveiki,
Now, a more informal way of saying hello is,
ciao,
listen again.
ciao,
Try saying this one more time.
ciao.
Now, the good news is that ciao also means goodbye. So try saying goodbye to someone informally.
Ciao.
The official word for goodbye is...
Uz redzēšanos.
Now, that's quite tricky. Let's slow this down, okay?
Uz redzēšanos.
Try that again after Arta.
Uz redzēšanos.
One more time.
Uz redzēšanos.
Well done. Let's go over the words and phrases from this lesson one more time. It's important to practice the new words and phrases in each lesson as often as possible. Try these one more time with Arta. Hello,
Sveiki,
hi or goodbye,
ciao.
and goodbye.
Uz redzēšanos. Time's up. Well done.
That's all for this program of 1 Minute Latvian. We'd suggest that you listen again, just to get used to the sounds of the language and to make sure the words really stick in your head. You can visit our website at oneminute.languages.com. Join us again soon for more Latvian. In the meantime, goodbye, or as you can now say in Latvian,
Uz redzēšanos.
You have been listening to a production of the Coffee Break Academy for the Radiolingua Network. Copyright 2017 Radiolingua Limited. Recording copyright 2017 Radiolingua Limited. All rights reserved.